The kitchen in our home is like a chemistry laboratory, a place where we perform several experiments while cooking. Let's explore kitchen chemistry once again. Our topic today: why are cakes soft and spongy? Cakes, all of us love them, soft and spongy. But why are cakes the way they are? Have you ever noticed that cakes have numerous small holes? How do these holes form? Let's begin by understanding what baking is. Baking is a way to cook food without placing it on a direct flame. In baking, we use dry heat for cooking. Normally, an oven or a tandoor is used for baking. Let's bake a cake and discover the chemistry in it. Here are the ingredients: 1 cup refined flour, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 egg beaten well. If you do not eat eggs, you can use a half cup of milk, 50 grams of butter, a flavor of your choice like vanilla essence, chocolate, cinnamon or nutmeg powder, baking powder or baking soda. If you do not have an electrical oven, then you can use a pressure cooker or any heavy-bottomed pan. Spread sand on the base of the vessel like this and keep it on the stove over medium heat. Remember to remove the weight while using a pressure cooker like an oven. If you are using an oven, then switch it on and set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Here's how you make the cake batter. Mix the butter and sugar till the mixture is soft and creamy. Add the beaten egg or milk. Add the flour a little at a time, mixing continuously. Then, add half a spoon of vanilla essence or the flavor of your choice. The mixture should drop easily from a spoon like this. If it is too thick, add a little milk to get dropping consistency. Grease the baking bowls with a little oil. We have taken 4 small bowls. We have marked 2 of them like this. If you are baking 2 cakes, then mark only one of the bowls. Transfer half of the batter to the marked baking bowls. Add half a spoon of baking powder to the remaining mixture and mix it well. Add this mixture with baking powder to the 2 remaining bowls. The 4 bowls are alike. The only difference is that the batter in 2 of them has baking powder and 2 do not. Place the 4 bowls in the preheated oven or cooker. If you are baking the cake separately, then add the baking powder to the mixture just before placing the cake mixture in the oven or cooker. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for the cake to bake. You can test if the cake has baked properly by inserting a clean knife into it. The batter is sticking to the knife. This means the cake needs to be baked for some more time. After some time, let's check again. This time, the knife comes out clean. This means the cake is baked. Oh! There is a difference between the 2 cakes. The one with baking powder has risen well. But but the one without baking powder has not risen. Let's understand the role of baking powder. It is the baking powder or baking soda that makes the cake soft and spongy. Baking powder is a mixture of two substances, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate and tartaric acid. These two substances react with each other when they come in contact with the water in the batter and are heated. The chemical reaction produces carbon dioxide gas. The gas rises upward and escapes from the batter. When it escapes, it leaves behind holes. It is because of these little holes that the cake is light and spongy. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate works in a similar way. When heated, sodium bicarbonate changes into sodium carbonate. Carbon dioxide and water in the form of steam are also formed in this reaction. Carbon dioxide and steam rise upward and escape, leaving behind little holes in the cake. Now, do you understand why it is so important to use baking powder when we bake a cake? Time for your question. You must have eaten bread. Find out how bread is made. What are the ingredients used in it? Here's a hint. Bread is also baked, but baking powder is not used for making it. Find out how it becomes soft and spongy like a cake. Remember, our kitchens are to be explored not just for food, but for science too.